Yo, so today, like I said, we were gonna get a snowstorm, and today is the day. I don't know how many inches of snow there are out there, but we're about to go outside and go on an adventure. So the first step is layering up. I got 3 pairs of socks on right now. Honestly, I don't know what pants I'm gonna end up wearing so they don't get wet, and then put on a shirt, a sweater, a hoodie, and a jacket. Just so we don't freeze.
Okay guys, so I look a mess right now, but we're gonna get ready to go to the snow with Brian. I'm always gonna redo my braids because okay, so the hair is done. Looks so much better now. Now I need to hurry up and get changed because someone's yelling already. Okay, let's get changed.
So I got on this sweater, got these pants on, got another pants, and then we got 3 pairs of socks. About to put on a hoodie, and then the jacket on top, the gloves, the hat.
Okay guys, so don't mind my hair being a mess again, but we kind of have a problem. I don't have shoes to wear, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I got gloves and I got this thing. So I kind of have to find shoes, and also I'm just getting better. I was sick for like the whole week, so I'm gonna have to take medicine before leaving so I don't get sick again. So I have the long sleeve, a crew neck, this camo hoodie, and then I'm gonna put a jacket on top, and I just have leggings and sweatpants and double socks.
Sebas, are you ready for the snow? Yeah. What are you gonna do in the snow?
A snowman.
Oh, you're gonna build a snowman? 5 snowmen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay guys, I look silly. And these are the only boots I freaking found that don't even fit. They're so tight. I really can't breathe.
We're ready to go.
It's so
What do you have
hot,
to say about the snow?
but I'm sweating and I need to go now because
We're all ready to go. What do you have to say about the snow?
Que espero que no me mueva mucho. Oh no, yo no iba a salir en tus videos. Corta.
She got butthurt about the last video that we did at New York. Ah. This is probably the most it's snowed in like 10 years. Melanie is all ready to go. Sebas is ready to go.
guys, you can't even see me no more, but this is the full fit. I feel so squished, so hot, and I cannot breathe.
Luna watching everybody go. Yo, we don't even know how deep the snow is. Look, I'm gonna take a step and we're gonna see how far my foot goes. Yeah, this is crazy, bro. That's why mom didn't want to come home. It's raining ice. Sebas, ¿ya te atoraste? Yo. ¿Qué piensas?
Y que me encanta estar detrás de todos. Míralo, míralo, esa carita.
Oh my goodness. What is going on, Sebas? Look at this. It's like deeper back here where no one has stepped in yet. Look. Man, we're never going to make it through here. We're going to have to walk on the road today. Sebas said bye-bye. He's leaving. Sebas couldn't survive the cold. It is literally raining ice out here. We've walked for like not even 10 minutes, dude. And we're over here freezing. Dude, it's so cold out here. And I never told you guys what the adventure was gonna be. Today we're gonna go sledding down a hill. So, oh my goodness, it's so windy. So we got these and ready to go. Melanie, what else do we got other than the storage bin lids? Hey, let's go. I was actually gonna bring random stuff, but I couldn't really find anything, yo. But no sleds, so we gotta improvise whatever we can bust our ass on. Let's go, man. As long as we make it there, we're like, I don't know, 2 minutes away. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. I don't think there's enough snow, but yeah, there's a cement hill right here going down. Man, my hand is freezing just from holding this on right now. All right, man, we made it to the hill. The hill's right there. It's a slope. And we're gonna slide down that hill. I'm gonna set up the tripod. To be honest, man, my hand is freezing and I'm ready to put this phone down, set up the tripod, and call it a day, and I hope it doesn't blow away.
Guys, so we're finally here at the spot. Beautiful spot right here, actually. And Brian, Valeria over there. I got the bed. We're ready to finally sled. Perfect spot, perfect hill right here. It's freezing. All right, guys. So I had to take my glass off. There's literally snow all over my eyelashes. I had to take my glass off because they were getting really foggy. It's freezing. My hand's freezing. But beautiful out here. So let's keep walking.
It's so cold out here, yo. My feet are still sinking. All right, so I don't know where to set the tripod at. Probably on the edge of the road. Or should I put it in the snow? I'll probably put it in the snow.
Look at the view from up here. Valeria. Look at Brian. He looks so tiny out there.
I don't even know if you're gonna be able to hear the sound, to be honest, because I didn't bring the microphones because I didn't want that to be a hassle. I should have brought the microphones. It's so windy out here. Man, I'm regretting not bringing the microphone, so we'll see how this video turns out. This ain't gonna work, y'all. This ain't gonna work. I thought it was gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Hi.
Dude, it's so cold.
I can't breathe.
I threw myself in the snow, bro. It did not work out. This hill is not it. I'm done. We're done. This was a fail. What do you have to say?
It was a fail. I'm cold.
We walked up here for
Yeah,
nothing. I feel like the girl who went to Starbucks and it was closed. Post that story. It's so cold out here. I literally threw myself in the snow. You can see the water drops, dude. I won't say the S word, but I ate another S word, snow. I ate snow, yo. I can't right now, yo. I threw myself in the snow thinking I was gonna slide down. All I did was freaking shove snow in my face. Yo, chill. Yo, what?
Oh my god.
No, he's about to die, yo.
Wait, that just froze my whole...
Let me see.
My eyelash.
Yo.
You know how freezing that snow is?
Sí,
No.
cuando me tumbaste aquí.
I'm just kidding.
Wait, push me. I'm gonna break you. It's so slippery. I'm gonna slip off. Yeah.
Bueno, en actualizaciones se perdió un teléfono. Y ahora lo estamos buscando.
Bro, Melanie lost her phone in the snow, and I just found it. Look, she's over there all worried for her phone, looking for her phone. Melanie, so where did you leave it? All right, this mini vlog is worth posting now.
Did you have it the whole time?
Because I found her phone in the snow.
Oh my god. I'm not
She was crying because now she can finally text her back during this
Bro, I'm
snowstorm.
gonna die.
You add 170 pounds of carnitas. That's what happens.
¿Ya?
I'm not down yet. Oh my god.
Wow, that hurt.
This is burning, yo.
My feet are squished.
Okay, yo, my hand is frozen. It's probably gonna fall off my hand right here. I can't even look up. That was stupid, but fun. And I'll never get to do this again when it's summertime. I can't even see right now. I feel like the homies.
Que valga la pena. Me gusta.
Oh my god, my this is so bad. Yo, I can't even see right now, but it's so cold out here, yo. We're all frozen. We're about to die. This is the real winter storm. Stay inside. Don't come outside because you're not gonna survive, bro. It's too cold. Mind how messed up my hat is now, but dude, it is so cold out there. This is all wet. Like, my jacket's wet, dude. We're ready to just take all this off and call it a day. Chill out the rest of the day. It is about 4 p.m. right now, but I think that's it for today. We're done. We're ready to just chill out.
How crazy do I look?
Man, it was a struggle to find Melanie's phone.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to follow and subscribe.